Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ryan, and today we're going to make a fat sticker. And I'm going to be decorating my mini fridge, and here's what it's going to look like. Just take a screenshot, just visualize it. It's going to be apples and then like apple juices, like the string, like the lines that's there. So it's basically going to be falling. Also, Honest Kids, not sponsored, but it's the best apple juice. But basically, I'm going to be decorating my mini fridge with a bunch of apple juice and apple themed because that's what the contents in my fridge is. It's going to be apple juice, and it is apple juice. So that's what I'm going to be decorating it. So basically, this is sticker paper. Link in the description below if you want to get it. But it's basically just a giant sticker on an 8.5 and 11, I believe is the paper size. It's just giant paper sticker thing. So here's that little swoosh, that little falling curving action. And I'm drawing apples, whole apples, half apples, and slices, and a juice box. It's gonna be the obvious juice box, Honest Kids on it. And yeah, you'll see the medium I'm going to be using is watercolor pencils. I don't know if you've ever used them, but they're fantastic. And you'll see me use that in a little bit. While I'm sketching this out, I just want to say I hope you have or having a good day. Hopefully it was nice. And if not, after watching this video, to make it productive, you should go and do something. Draw. Play a board game, go outside, I don't know, make it a day that you're proud of, because that's what's important by the end of the day. Okay, so now I finished sketching. I'm going to go with a yellow, pale kind of color, and that's going to be that I outlined it, and now I'm adding water, so it was like a brown and like a yellow and a cream color, and I basically just went on the outside, add some shadows, and then like for the white, I just with the pale color, and then I just used water because it's watercolor pencils. And really, it nicely blends it together, making it more realistic, I guess. So now we're going to go in and color the apples, which I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous for. But I think it turned out good, so I'm excited, and it really just looks so good when you finally add that water, and just all of that scratchy little pencil lines that I hate when color pencils do. It goes away, and it's fabulous. Also, while drawing the pencils, like, you can always see the pencil underneath the watercolor because you can't erase the pencil after you put water over it. And I'm just saying, if anyone has a solution for this, it's quite annoying. I would love to know, and I appreciate if you know the answer, just leave in the comments below. Okay, so we finished the first whole apple and almost the apple slice. I think, okay, now we finished it. Yes, we finished it now. But if you have any suggestions of what I should do next, please let me know. It's always helpful. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying this episode or this video so far. It was fun to make, and I hope you enjoy the rest. Ooh, and how do you like the lighting? Like, turns out you just need to open your window, and then you have absolutely amazing lighting. There we go. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that from now on, but I just want to say I'm learning. Now we're working on the Big Apple, and I'm not talking about New York. So yeah, this one I was actually quite excited to do. And it's just, you really see the difference the water makes on this particular apple. And I think you should definitely check this out, because if you weren't paying attention before, but I know you were, so you know you're paying attention to all of it, but you know, specifically this apple, because it's really satisfying when I add the water. Wasn't that just so satisfying? Like, bam, the lines are gone. Like, I'm basically magic. Like, those pencils are magic. Like, okay, now we're working on the inside of the apple, or the, like if I cut an apple in half. This one went by pretty easy, cheesy. It was, which I like. And look, now we're already done. Another apple slice. I think I only have 2 more to go, or 1 more to go after this one. So that's exciting. And then I can show you it on the mini fridge. And honestly, I'm pretty proud of it. Staring at it right now. Looks pretty fabulous. Oh, and I totally forgot the juice box. That too. That one's pretty good too. But I mean, you'll see. You'll see. Okay, now it's juice box time. Do. Juice box time. Right now I'm making the teardrop shape on the Honest Kids logo. You can look it up or just look at my drawing. It's like it splashes over the 3 little apples, and it's pretty cool. And so I'm making that right now because that's, you know, obviously the best apple juice to ever exist on the planet Earth. So I just want to let you know, the background music is called Y, and I find it funny. And it's like the cover's like 3 little ducks or whatever. It's pretty funny, and I just wanted to let you know it's called Y. Now, you might be saying to yourself, it doesn't even have the words Honest Kids or the thing's not completely green. And I'm saying, if I drew or wrote letters, it will not look realistic whatsoever. It will look like a complete mess. It will not look good. Now, I might be okay at drawing, but my handwriting sucks, so it just couldn't happen. Guys, we've finished, and this is it. I'm going to cut it out and put it on my mini fridge, and you'll see really good. Just wait for the transition. The anticipation is real. Oh yeah, there it is, guys. So I put a layer of white packaging tape over it. But this is it, guys. This is the finished product. I hope to see you next video. And see you later, alligator.